Alright, so up for sale we have a irobot Roomba 551 series. This is a pet series model. It comes with an Aerovac dustbin. Right here has a filter included in it. It's slightly used, but it's still in great condition, very clean. It comes with the owner's manual, a power supply, docking station, 3 new spare filters, 2 new side brushes, a spare set of Bristol and beater, a cleaning tool, and the 551 unit itself. This does have a brand new battery in it, and it lasts well over an hour. There's the brush and beater here, Bristol and beater. They're slightly used also, but they're in very good condition, very clean. They have a good lifespan in front of them, and everything works great on it. The side brush is also new, and overall this is a very clean Roomba. It has very slight scratches, small sign of use, nothing big. I'm not sure if you could see that, but the serial number ends with a 826. And you could see a little tiny scratches right there, but they're only seen in the light. There's the small scuff right there from furniture, but other than that, it's clean. Again, it has a brand new battery in it. Works well over an hour. All the accessories are included. And make sure you check out the other video with the demo version. Alright, good luck.